So how to make another account on Snapchat. So here is Snapchat, you just tap on it. And then basically if you tap on your profile in top left and then tap on gear settings in the price, scroll to the bottom, then you have logout. Tap logout. And then from here, you need to tap use other account in the bottom right. And from here, you need to basically log in or you just tap sign up. So just tap sign up. And then when you sign up, you just need to tap save login info on your iCloud devices. So just save that login info on your iCloud devices. And then, you will be able to use that info to instantly log in without need to basically enter your password all the time. So it's pretty handy feature. So, you can just try it out like that.